Teima, Ajeng Era, how are you Ajeng Era? Nur Intan, Retno Febrian, Nurul Fitri, Akila Rosa, Almira, Andita, Clara Clarissa, Safa Fitriandita, Ibnu Rizki, Rasida, Zahra, Rafita Lutfiah, Fahrina, Nadia Karir Ihsan, Soraya, Farli, Asmaul Konita, Fiona Rihandini, Zaharatun Nisa, Syahluna, Aji, Renita Apriliani, Adam Putro. Okay. And then it's already recording, yeah? Who's the one that become the host for today's meeting? Marsha, yeah? Okay, where's Marsha? And for your information, I'm using smartphone. So inshallah next week. Okay, I'm gonna use the laptop. Let's start this meeting then. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, before we are going to start here, can you guys hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asrafil anbiya wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihim ajma'in. Amma ba'd. So today it will be our first meeting, yeah, for the second subject here we call qualitative and quantitative research methodology. And then what is it, the previous subject that you guys have with me? The second subject, the first subject, what is it?
Curriculum and material development, sir.
Okay, thank you. It is curriculum and material development. Yeah, that was the first subject. And then QQRM, or qualitative and quantitative research methodology. Here it is the second subject that I will teach you guys for this semester. Yeah, since today here is our first meeting, I would like to give you guys the overview. Yeah, the overview of this subject. Yeah. Qualitative and quantitative research method here consists of three terms. Yeah, consists of three terms. Okay. The first term here it is qualitative, and then second term here it is quantitative, and then next term here it is research method. Yeah. So from the title of this subject, here you guys will learn about what does it mean by qualitative research method, and then what does it mean by quantitative research method. Yeah, that was the title of this subject. And then the aims, yeah, the aims for this subject here, the aim for this subject, for QQRM subject here, it is to give you guys, yeah, a comprehensive kind of understanding about what kind of the proper method that you are going to use when conducting research. Yeah, qualitative and then also quantitative here, the type of research method. Yeah, that was the aim for this subject. And then the focus for this subject here, it will be prepare, yeah, preparing you guys to conduct the research proposal. Yeah, and then for your information, research proposal here, it is a step before you guys will conduct your thesis or your final product to graduate from English Department, Faculty of Education, Muhammadiyah, University of Jakarta. So that will be the focus for this subject. And then also, what is it, the objective? Yeah, the objective for this subject here by the end of this semester, so it will be easy for you guys to create or to conduct or to write a complete research proposal, yeah, as a basis for you guys to complete the thesis for your final project before graduating from English department. Yeah, so that was the first aim, and then second one focus, and then the last one the objective. Yeah, is that clear enough for you guys? Aim, focus, and then objective of qualitative and quantitative research method. Okay, no response. I'm gonna assume that you guys understand what I've already explained. Yeah, because after this one, I'm gonna just randomly and then asking you guys what is it this subject will talk about. Yeah, and then after that one, what are the topics? What are the subject that you are going to learn, yeah, for the rest of this semester? So the first, it will be about what is it a research, yeah. We are going to discuss about a research, what we call by a research, what is the definition of research, yeah. And then after you guys already fully understand about the meaning of the research or the definition of the research, and we are going to go to what we call by type of the research. Yeah. So the first, the definition of research, and then second one, types of the research. Yeah. So there are many type of research that belong to the qualitative type of research, and then also quantitative type of research. And then after the type of research, you guys will learn also about the characteristic of research. Yeah. So the definition of research, type of research, and then next one, characteristic of research. And then the last one here, it is about how you're going to conduct the research. Yeah. After you guys already learn about the research thing, and then we go to the next one about the method in research. Yeah, about research methodology that refer to qualitative and then quantitative research method. Okay, the common type of research method here, we can divide it into three. Yeah, but the most common one that used by the bachelor degree here is only qualitative and then also quantitative research method. We have one extra method that we call mixed method. Mixed method here, it is the combination between qualitative and quantitative research method. But since mixed method here, it is not for your guys level. Mixed method here used for the magister degree and also for the doctoral degree. So we are going to focus only on the qualitative research method and then also quantitative research method. Okay, and then after you guys already understand already comprehension about the name of the research or the definition of research, we go to the first, the definition about research method. Yeah, what is it, research method? And then after that one, the type of research method. And then after the type of research method, the characteristic of each research method. Yeah, and then after you guys already understand about the method, so we go to our next step here, conducting research proposal. Yeah, in conducting research proposal, what we call by research proposal here consists of three chapters. Yeah, three chapters of a research proposal. The first here, it will be about the first chapter here. It will be about the introduction. Yeah, consists of background of the study, research problem, significance of the study, and then many elements in the first chapter of a research proposal. And then for the second chapter here consists of reviewing the related literature. Yeah, so second chapter consists group of theory, a group of the theory that you guys collected, that you guys pick here to support your research. That will be the second chapter of a research proposal. And then the last chapter here, the third chapter of a research proposal here, it is called research methodology. And then research methodology here refers to what kind of the subject that you guys will learn for this semester. In the third chapter of a research proposal, here we call research methodology, consists of what kind of the method that you use, and then also what kind of the design that you guys going to use for your research. And then for the third chapter also consists of how that you're going to gather the data, and then analyze the data, and then also last one, interpret the data. So that's all for the complete research proposal, starting from the first chapter, second chapter, and then third chapter. That was a complete research proposal. Okay, and then for the QQRM here, not only the research proposal that will become your project, guys, but your guys project here, we call it STP, yeah, student creativity program, or in bahasa here it is PKM, program kreativitas mahasiswa. Yeah, so the first project you guys will try to make a complete proposal, and then the second one, your project, it will be about PKM atau program kreativitas mahasiswa atau student creativity program. Yeah, in PKM or in STP here, this program here is held by our Ministry of Education. Yeah, our Ministry of Education that will give you guys a chance to get a fully funded kind of program. Yeah, in PKM there are several kind of program that you guys can join. Yeah, the first, yeah, an article publication. Yeah, and then the second one also an entrepreneurships. Yeah, and then there are several type also in program kreativitas mahasiswa, but our focus, yeah, for this subject here, it will be only on process of writing the article, and then maybe on entrepreneurships. Yeah, so what is it, the form of PKM here, or student creativity program here? You will try to make, or you will try to write an article, yeah, that consists of an original idea of yours. Yeah, it can be about our current phenomenon in learning English, or it can be about all the problems that you guys face while learning English. That should be okay. Yeah, so it will be about the original ideas that you guys write in a paper and then become an article. You try to send it to the Ministry of Education to join the student creativity program, or PKM. That's the example of an article. And then the other program also for PKM here, we call entrepreneurships. You guys can create a business proposal. Yeah, a business proposal. Yeah, a small business proposal by the college student, and then after that one, you're going to propose this business proposal also to the Ministry of Education. Yeah, and then if you guys pass the selection for the business proposal, so your business here will be funded by the government. And then it is the same also with writing the article publication. If you pass the selection, yeah, so the government will give you the funding, yeah, to publish your article. Yeah, I guess that's all, guys, for the overview of this subject, QQRM, yeah, qualitative and then quantitative research method, yeah. I already explained it to you guys about the aims. That was the first, and then second one, the focus of this subject, and then the next one, the objective of this subject, and then also all the topics that you guys will learn for this semester, yeah? Starting from understanding the research, and then also understanding the research proposal, yeah? And then about the student creativity program or PKM, yeah. And for the final project, yeah, as I told you guys, it will be on two kinds, yeah. The first here, it will be a counted research proposal, and then the second one, it will be a proposal to join program Kreativitas Mahasiswa or student creativity program that helped by our Ministry of Education. Okay, I guess that's clear enough, guys. Or do you guys have any question? Come on. I'm gonna open a session to give you guys a chance to ask me anything about this subject, please. Come on. Do you have any question? If you guys have no question at all, I'm gonna choose randomly and then give you a question about this subject, about this overview of this subject. Come on.
I'm gonna answer.
Okay, come on. Mention your name, please.
I'm Nurlaili Kuratuaini. I'm gonna ask about, are there have a group discussion, sir? For
What is it?
example, make a PowerPoint.
Okay, inshallah, for the group discussion, maybe we will try to switch it, not like the prepare. I mean, for example, next week, I'll try to explain about the topic, and then the next 2 week, it will be your turn. The third week, it will be mine. Yeah, so it will be like that one. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, ask me about this subject, please. Why did you have to ask about the schedule? Come on. Marsa Amanta, do you have anything to say? To ask, please? No?
I don't think I have any questions, sir.
So all clear for you then?
Inshallah.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. Next, Nurul Fitri. Do you have anything to say, Nurul?
Yes, sir.
Do you have anything to say?
I think no.
Okay, thank you. Do you have anything to say, Akila? Rosa? Akila Rosa, you are not responding. Do you
I think no, sir.
so all clear enough for you then?
Clear, sir.
Okay, thank you. Almira, Aisyah, Hanifa, do you have anything to say, Almira?
Maybe no.
No? All clear for you then? Okay,
Inshallah.
you guys already got my point. Now I'm gonna ask you the question then. Yeah, I'm gonna start with Almira. Almira, what are two final projects that you're going to have for this subject? Come on, what is it?
The subject about a research, like definition of research, type of research, and characteristic of research.
I'm asking you about the final project for this subject.
To make article about the original idea.
Make the title about original idea. Really? That's all you got? The final project. Okay, what about Clarissa? I already mentioned 2 types of final project for this subject. Can you mention it, please? Anyone can hear her voice? Hello? Marsa, can you hear her voice here?
No, sir.
Sir,
Yeah, so it is the same. I can barely catch your voice, Clarissa. What happened? Okay, Nurlaili Kurratu Aini, come on. I want you to give us 2 kind of project for this subject. The final project for this subject, what are those final project? Come on.
First is make a complete proposal, and the second is PKM, Program Kreatif Mahasiswa, for focus on article and entrepreneurship. For article, we have to make an article with original idea and then write in a paper. And for entrepreneurship, make or create business proposal. That's it, sir.
Thank you very much. And then now Adinda Nur. Adinda Nur, can you hear me? Adinda Nur? And then Adinda is freezing, I guess. Okay, Sukma Hairunisa. Can you hear me, Sukma?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is it? Student Creativity Program or PKM that I already explained to you. Come on, what is it?
Yes, sir. I can get your question.
Okay, so what is Student Creativity Program or PKM? What is it?
That's the program from our ministry to the program from our ministry to search the creativity of our student of mahasiswa, then that make proposal so we can get the funded from government if we are joined to make a
What
proposal.
happened to your connection, Sukma? I can hear
Yes.
your voice clearly, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's enough. Now, Anissa Zahra, there are 3 chapters in conducting research proposal. Can you mention each chapter and what are those? Come on.
So sorry, sir. Write one, but I'm not write the billing of the chapter. I only know the 1, 2, 3. There are 3 chapters in the research proposal, but I don't write the fill of the chapter.
So you don't remember each chapter here consists of the element of each chapter?
I only write the 3 chapters, but I don't remember the 1, 2, 3 chapters.
Okay, thank you. Next one, Chema. Chema, do you mind please try to enlighten Anissa Zahra here? 3 chapters of research proposal. First chapter, what is it?
First chapter, I don't know, sir, but second chapter, I think research methodology.